Hello everyone! My name is Teacher Kim and I will be your English teacher for today. And for the very first time, I want you to hold on tight as I take you to Teacher Kim's virtual classroom. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Alright! So welcome to Teacher Kim's virtual classroom. During our lesson, I want you to look at Teacher Kim and listen to Teacher Kim. Is that okay? Alright! Hey! After this lesson, you will be able to define what modal is, and you will be able to correctly use can and could in a sentence. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, I will show you this video, and after watching it, be ready to answer questions. Okay? Alright, now let's watch it. Hello everyone. My name is Gladys. I am grade 9 student. I am a Kapampangan. That's great to know, Gladys. I can speak Kapampangan fluently. Oh really? I could speak Kapampangan when I was 10. I am just new here in the metro. Nice meeting you, everyone. Did you watch the video? So if you really watched the video, you will be able to answer my question. Are you ready? The question is, who between Jonathan and Bill can talk with Gladys in Kapampangan? That's right! It's Jonathan. But why do you think so? Again? That's okay. We will discuss. Jonathan used the word can in his statement while Bill used could. Can and could are two examples of modals or modal verbs. Modals are special helping verbs that may express ability, permission, possibility, or obligation. In the given scenario, Jonathan used the modal can that expresses present ability. It means that Jonathan can speak in Kapampangan now, so he can speak with Gladys in Kapampangan. On the other hand, Bill used the modal could that expresses a past ability. It means that Bill could speak in Kapampangan in the past, but no longer in the present. Now let's try this one. When Jenny's father was young, he blank danced hip-hop. Fantastic! Hey! You got the right answer. Now let's have more. Jocelyn must talk with Joe because she blank speak Bisaya fluently. Great! You got the right answer. And here's the next one. Jeanette has a photographic memory, so she blank memorized things easily. Marvelous! You did a great job. And here's a recap for our wrap-up. Use the modal can for present abilities and could for the past abilities. Other modals are should, would, could, will, must, might, shall. That's it for our today's lesson. Once again, this has been Teacher Kim reminding everyone that knowing English is knowing the world. Bye for now, class. See ya!